In this section, we will explore the concept of loops, and to help us get to grips with the different loop options we have, we're going to use the infamous FizzBuzz game. So what is the FizzBuzz game? Now, if you've been coding for some time, you may have come across the FizzBuzz game before, as it seems to have taken the coding world by storm, mainly due to its simple to understand nature, but it also encapsulates some fundamental coding practices. So what are the rules? Well, we count from 1, and every time we hit a number that is divisible by 3, we say the word fizz. Every time we hit a number that is divisible by 5, we say buzz. And if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, we say FizzBuzz. So it would go something like 1, 2, fizz, 4, buzz, fizz, 7, 8, and so on. Now, FizzBuzz seems to be everywhere, from school math classrooms to coding practice questions, and it even crops up in interview scenarios. So in this section, we're going to code our very own version of FizzBuzz using different looping techniques. Now, understanding the concept and what the loop is enabling us to do is the most important thing to take away from this section. If you understand the concept, you will be able to ascertain whether loops are required in some of your own solutions to address problem statements that you face.